What's up, everyone? We're down at the river again, and we're gonna be doing a bit of fishing for some little bass down here. And I made a video that's probably gonna be similar to this back in the summer, so you guys can check that video out. But we're gonna try a bunch of different baits and see if we can get some little river bass down here, so stay tuned. Ooh, got whacked. Well, I'm stopping. Feels like a decent fish, guys. Oh, what happened? Oh, I snagged him. Oh, it's a smallie. Wait, yeah, it's a smallmouth. Guys, I just snagged a smallmouth here. I think he hit it. Oh, that didn't take long to get my first smallmouth of... Ooh, this is a dangerous situation. Okay, guys, so this is not the ideal situation. So, as you can probably see, you got treble hooks everywhere. You got a baby smallmouth hooked right here. So I'm gonna grab him super tight. I'm gonna actually grab my pliers. So we're gonna grab our pliers. Let me get this out as painless as possible, because these are beautiful fish. All right, we got it out. Look at that beautiful smallmouth right there. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna take a quick photo and then we're gonna get back to fishing. Water's pretty warm. The smallmouth is not that cold. So let's take a quick photo. There's one. There's a little largemouth. See what I mean, guys? Tiny, tiny fish. But they're very pretty. Put up a little fight. Second fish of the day. Little baby largemouth. Here's what I'm using here, guys. Little jig head with a little end of a trick worm on there. I'm just hopping it along the bottom, and they seem to like that. There's another. Just like that, guys. Look how quick that was. Look at these head shakes. Man, this guy's fighting hard. Wow. This might be the prettiest largemouth bass I have ever caught. He inhaled this bait, too. That may be the prettiest largemouth bass I have ever caught. Look at that fish, guys. Wow. Gorgeous. Oh, just got whammed. There he is. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, look at this little guy. Another gorgeous largemouth. Look at that little guy. Look how pretty that fish is. See ya. This is so fun. There's another. Oh, this is not a bass. This right here is a fall fish. Little fall fish. Not those bigger guys that we catch over there. Just a little guy right here. Sweet. Hooked up. Oh, that's a nice little smallmouth? Nah, largemouth. This is the biggest one. It's still not a big fish, but I think it's the biggest one of the day. Looked like a smallmouth for a while. Very golden color. Micro turtle takes a while. Whoa! Did you guys see that? I don't know if he was going after my bait or what. He may have grabbed it on the fall and spit it. Man, that was really cool.